So is next check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system. Install means now installs your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system. So guys, welcome to my channel. Xbox F error. So how to resolve this is different error they are facing. So guys, first sync your time to date. Okay, click to start and type control panel. Then open view by category. Select this one. Clock and season, date and time. Click to internet network. Change setting, and this is officially sites. Okay, so select this and then click to update. And this is synchronize the timing like time.windows.com on this, and then click to OK and then apply and then close it. Next guys, check your internet connections. So troubleshoot, so click to start, go to setting, then click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and this is network. Click on the run. Okay, run and then wait some minutes. If you like getting some error, and Windows will be reset your services like that. Okay, then close. Next, check Windows update. So click to start, again go to setting, Windows update, last one, and click on check for update. So if it is showing some KB series and Windows update, your system drivers also, so first download and install it. Okay, run. Next, clean store cache. So guys, click to start and type run, type ws reset and then click OK. Okay, then automatically, then close it. This is completed. Next, repair or reset of Xbox app from Microsoft. Click to start, go to setting, then click to app, then install app, find out Xbox, but guys, mute this some seconds now. Yeah, now perfect. Xbox, click to three dot, and same method follow on the Xbox live. Then click to reset. Then click to repair. And then terminate. After that, close it. Check next service. Check relevant service. Okay. So click start. Type services.msc. You can type only service and right click to run as administrator. So scroll down last. Okay. So first one, Windows update. Okay. Windows backup, Windows audio, a Windows update. Double click, select manual automatic and then apply and OK. Same, scroll down, open Xbox 3, start, select automatic, apply and OK. Then this one, first of automatic, then start, apply, OK. Start, apply and OK. Last this one, automatic, start, apply and OK. And then close it. Then guys, next method, last. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.